In this video, I'll show you how to send money from USA to Nepal using Remitly. Remitly makes it easy, secure, and often affordable to send money internationally. Plus, if you sign up with the link below, you can get your first transfer fee free. Now, let's get started. First, open Remitly app or you can go to their website at remitly.com. And if you don't have an account yet, you can use again the link below to sign up for free and get a fee-free first transfer. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Now, once logged in, select Nepal as your destination on this section and hit send money. Now, on this page, enter first the amount that you'd like to send in USDs. For example, I'm going to send USD. Now, on this section, you'll be able to see the converted amount on the corresponding currency. And on this section, you'll then need to enter your or select your delivery method. So you have three options, which is bank deposit or which are bank deposit, mobile money, and cash pickup. So for now, we are going with cash pickup. And for the payment method, you'll have three options. So you can go for debit card, credit card, and bank account. So I'm going with debit card, and on this section, you'll be able to see the fees that you need to pay. So hit continue. And then since I have selected cash pickups and option, these are the options. So I have Nepal Remit, City Express, IME Remit, and so on. You'll have more options once you hit this section. So for now, we're going with Nepal Remit. And you'll need to fill in the recipient's information or details. So first, you need to fill in their first name, middle name, and their last name. Now enter the recipient's city as it would appear on a valid ID. So you need to make sure of that. Hit continue and enter the recipient's mobile number. This if you'd like for them to text the recipient with the transfer update. So you can skip this one if you don't want to. And now select the payment method. So again, you can go for credit card or also bank account. So for the card, this transfer instantly, and for bank account, it transfers in 3 to 5 days. So for now, we are going with card and fill in all of this information, the card number, expiration date, security code, and as well as your name as it appears on the card. So just double check the billing address, and once you are done, hit next on the bottom part of your screen. So before confirming on the next page, just review all the details. Remitly will show you an estimated delivery time based on your selected method. Once everything looks good, confirm the transfer and you'll receive a tracking number which you can share with your recipient to track the transfer. So that's it. Sending money from the USA to Nepal with Remitly is quick, secure, and affordable. Don't forget to use the link below to sign up and get your first transfer fee free. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.